Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set an accent color in Windows 10. So this should hopefully be pretty straightforward, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So basically, we're going to open up the Start menu, type in Settings. Best match should go back with Settings right above App. Go ahead and left click on that one time. Select the Personalization tile. Select Colors on the left side. And now on the right, you want to scroll down, and where it says choose your accent color, you can check mark inside the box to automatically pick an accent color from your background. Alternatively, you can select a custom color down here, and if you have a hex code or something, you can go ahead and modify it through here. You can also go ahead and select a Windows color option. It's already pre-decided over here. That might be able to help you too. So I just selected this one color here. It will take a moment to take effect, so just be patient. And then you'll notice the effects almost immediately once it's done loading. So you scroll down here, you notice the text underneath related settings is now changed to this new color, and you can see the oval has changed as well as the circles that highlight our selection. So just giving you guys a perspective of exactly what we're going to be looking at for this. So pretty cool. So I do hope that that would be able to help you with your accent color there. And you can also show the accent color on the Start, taskbar, and Action Center, as well as the tile, bars, and window borders. So if you check mark all these options as well, you'll see the color will appear elsewhere on your system now. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.